The DLARS2200 4K D-ILA Home Theater Projector is designed for anyone serious about creating a true cinematic experience at home. Its exterior immediately conveys quality. A matte black finish with clean lines and a sturdy build that feels premium without being overbearing. It's not bulky, yet it carries the weight and craftsmanship you expect from a high-end home theater projector. Whether placed on a shelf, ceiling-mounted, or positioned on a table, it fits seamlessly into most setups. At the heart of this projector is its native 4K resolution of 4096 by 2160 pixels. This is true 4K, not an upscaled image, which means every frame is rendered with precise detail. Movies, TV shows, and video games look incredibly sharp. Small textures, subtle shadows, and fine details are all visible, adding a new layer of immersion to your viewing. HDR content benefits especially from this setup, with bright highlights and deep blacks giving images a sense of depth and realism. Brightness is another highlight. Rated at 2300 lumens, the DLARS2200 maintains clarity even in rooms with moderate ambient light. In a darker environment, the contrast and colors truly shine. Blacks are rich, colors appear vibrant but natural, and there's no sense of oversaturation. The combination of brightness and color accuracy makes every scene pop, whether it's a fast-paced action movie or a visually detailed animated feature. The projector uses D-ILA technology, which ensures smooth motion and excellent color accuracy. Fast-moving sequences, such as sports events or action-packed films, remain crisp with minimal motion blur. Color fidelity is impressive, with rich reds, deep blues, and accurate skin tones that make everything look cinematic and immersive. This technology is one of the reasons why the DLARS2200 can deliver a theater-like experience in the home. Lens performance is equally important, and the 0.69-inch native D-ILA lens ensures a sharp and detailed image. You get true 4K quality without relying on software enhancement. Installation is flexible. Whether you're using a ceiling mount, placing it on a shelf, or positioning it on a tabletop, lens shift and keystone correction make it simple to align the image with your screen. Even off-center placement won't compromise the picture quality. Setup is straightforward. The menu is intuitive and allows adjustments for brightness, contrast, gamma, and color temperature. There are preset modes for movies, gaming, and sports, so you can start watching immediately with optimal settings. For enthusiasts who want more control, advanced calibration options are available to fine-tune the image for the perfect cinematic experience. Connectivity is comprehensive, with multiple HDMI ports that support the latest HDCP standards. You can easily connect 4K Blu-ray players, gaming consoles, and streaming devices without compatibility issues. USB and network support allow media playback from other sources. While this projector doesn't have built-in smart streaming, connecting an external device is simple, giving you the flexibility to access all your content seamlessly. Audio is not the primary focus, which is common for projectors in this category. For a complete cinematic setup, pairing it with a soundbar or AV receiver is recommended. This lets the visuals take center stage, while the audio provides a full theater experience. Gamers will find this projector very capable. Input lag is low enough for casual and competitive play. Large screen size combined with native 4K resolution creates a visually rich gaming experience. Story-driven and visually intensive games are especially impressive on this setup, making it a great choice for gamers who also care about cinematic visuals. Overall, the DLARS2200 4K D-ILA Home Theater Projector delivers an outstanding combination of image quality, color accuracy, brightness, and flexibility. It's ideal for movies, gaming, and sports, and pairing it with a proper screen maximizes its performance, enhancing contrast, sharpness, and color fidelity. While it represents a significant investment, it's one that pays off for anyone looking to elevate their home entertainment. The DLARS2200 is a premium projector that brings cinematic visuals into the living room, offering an experience that rivals small commercial theaters without the space requirements.